Hello, hope everybody's doing well. We're going to talk about some multiplication strategies. We're talking about area model, FOIL, and partial products. I want you to realize FOIL is actually an algebraic concept based on multiplying binomials by binomials. So it's two-digit number by two-digit number. Area model can be used in any combination, and same with partial products. And I'll show you what I mean by that as we unpack this. So let's think about if we were multiplying 24 times 18 and we want to use area model. We know 20, I mean that large obviously because that's approximately 20. We know 20 plus 4 is 24. We know 10 plus 8 is 18. So if we think about this, well, what's the dimensions of this? 10 by 20, so that's actually, that part's 200. 8 by 20, that part's 160. 10 fours, 4 tens, that part's 40. 8 fours, that part is 32. So if we add them all up, the whole area model, the whole shape, our whole rectangle, 432. Now if we think about FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. First, outer, inner, last. So again, we're still going to use place value to break it up. 20 plus 4. Now we have 10 plus 8. So first, 20 plus 10 is 200. Outer, so your outer numbers. Kind of see how it's matching up with area model, right? Then we have inner numbers. Then we have our last numbers. Again, when we add that all up, 200, well, 160 plus 40 is 200, 200 plus 200 is 400. So again, we still get the number 432. Now, what if we said, well, you know what? That's great. I'd love to use partial products. Now let's use partial products. Well, again, it's the numbers don't change. We're still looking at 24 times 18. The difference is finding which numbers are more friendly. Personally, I would actually do it this way. I would do 24, sorry. Did not mean to make that into a 20. I would do 24, and I'd actually do 18 as 20 minus 2. Because 24, so I'm just doubling 24, so that's 480 minus, well, 224 is minus 48. That still gives us that answer of 432. Now, some of you may have said you might have done partial products or you'd have done it as 10 plus 8. I don't find that as friendly because I know what 24 tens is 240. I, off the top of my head, don't know what 24 eights are. So that's why I find sometimes it's friendly to subtract with partial products, not always add. But again, that's a personal choice. I'm hoping this overview gave you a little bit of guidance. Let's look at something here though. What if we had a 3-digit number? 3-digit number. Now FOIL doesn't work the same. I mean, it does, but it adds another layer where we don't do that. It can become more complicated. But area model and partial products still is friendly. So what if we had 132 times, let's say, 34? As we think about 132 times 34, we think about area model. Again, the area of this rectangle. So we have 100. We have 30. We have 2. We also have 30. 4. So 132 times 34 the area model would be first 30 times 100, 3,000. 30 times 30, 900. 32s is 60. 4 times 100 is 400. 4 times 30 is 120. And 2 groups of 4 is 8. Or partial products, we could do it as 132 times 30 plus 4. Don't find that to be as friendly though as if I broke up 30 into actually 10 plus 10 plus 10. So I know 132 tens is 1,320. 1,320. 1,320. And then I have 132 fours, but that would be 132. And I can break up that into twos. It's 262, and then I have 2 of them. So that gives me 500 and... Sorry, 264. 132 plus 132 is 264, not 262. That's, I don't know what I was looking at, sorry about that. 264, which then, if you think about that, that's 528. So I'm adding up those, or I'm adding up these. Either way we do it, whether we want to say 3,000 plus 900 plus 400 plus, I'm just going to say 128 because I'm going to add those two together. Either way, I'm going to come up with 4,428. So again, please use the method that makes you feel most comfortable, but this is just giving you an overview again of what area model represents, what FOIL represents for, again, 2-digit number times a 2-digit number, and then what partial products is. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.